Okay, so this is going to be a tour of my room here at the Courtyard by Marriott here in Windsor, Connecticut. And yeah, so as you can see right away, it's a pretty nice room. As you can see, not too fancy, but you know, it's perfect for what you would need for a normal duration stay, I guess. But yeah, let's just go right to it. We'll start over here in the entryway. Here's the entry door. It's very large and it's wood. And here's the evacuation map. And a peephole, you can see. There's room across the hall. And over here you have a deadbolt, you can see. The handle, and another lock right here. And then you have this little safety sticker that says do not disturb. The same on the other side. And then there's the switch right here which controls the entry light. You see? It is preheat fluorescent, as you can see. It's a nice fixture as well. There's this random piece of tape here. I guess I can get that off. That's weird. Throw that out. Fail. But yeah, going into the bathroom. But first of all, you can see there is a door stopper for the deadbolt. And then there's another door stopper here for the door itself. And the walls have kind of this cool texture. And now into the bathroom. Start over here in the vanity area. Here's the sink. It's got a very good water pressure, although it's leaking a bit. And here's the soap bar. It got this nice big mirror here with plenty of light above it, as you can see. And here's the switch for it. And there's this random junction box here. And this GFCI that we'll go ahead and test. You can see it works. It's very loud though. Tissue box, some towels and face cloths. And you can see this is a granite countertop. And as you saw earlier, the trash is down here. And then behind me is this nice big wardrobe. You can see, got a bunch of stuff in here. You got bed sheets for the hide-a-bed, which I'll show later. Here's an iron and an ironing board, as well as a luggage rack. And on the door there is a mirror as well. And this door is vented. So yeah. There's that. These doors are a bit hard to close. And here's the toilet area. It's very small in here. It's very cozy. Go ahead and test the lock on the door. Works fine. Looks like a rather old door handle. And you got a hook on the back of the door right here. Over here is a nice big picture frame. I have no idea what the picture's supposed to be. It's just some sort of surrealism thing, I guess. There's a door stopper right here. And you got some paper, toilet paper and a spare roll behind it. Up here you have some towels. And there's an exhaust vent right there, but there's no real fan. And there's the light, as you can see. And over here is the commode. It is a Kohler. As you can see, the floor is tile. And over here is the shower bath combo with an arched shower curtain, as you can see. And a dual layered curtain. You can see it's got this thinner one on the inside. You got this floor mat right here. Go ahead and step in here. The tub is sort of coffin shaped, as you can see. And here's a soap rack. There's another soap rack. Over here is the shower head, as you can see. You have body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And you got this little handle right here. Over here is the temperature control, which has very clear labels, which I like. And here's the switch to switch it from tub to shower. Here's the overflow drain with a switch on it. And the main drain, as you can see. It's got a screw in the middle. And I guess we can go ahead and test the shower pressure while we're at it. I just dropped this floor mat. I guess I'll go fix this. There we go. That's the only downside of these, is that you tend to trip over the ledge a lot. I'll go ahead and reverse the shower curtain here and set the camera down. There we go, if you can see that. Go ahead and turn on the pressure. Oh wow! That's very powerful. It has different modes. Go ahead and test the mode switch. So there's the classic shower mode. It's got a nice massage to it. Yeah, I'd say that's a pretty good head. And it does have a very good drainage system afterward. I'll go ahead and dry my hands so I don't get the camera wet. There we go. But yeah, that's really it for the bathroom. You can see there's some smaller tiles in the shower, and you got this very faint design on the walls here, which is also textured. It's like grooved. So that's really it for the small toilet area. Go ahead and exit. And out into the living area, as you can see. It's very spacious, lots of footroom. It actually has a nice rug in here. I really like this rug. It looks like it was newly installed as well. So, that's good. Over here is my grip, obviously. And you got this little table here with this lamp. It's controlled by a single switch. And it does have 2 outlets on it. And here is a nice comfy chair, an ottoman, and a Davenport, which does have a hide-a-bed, which I'll show later. Another comfy chair. This is basically just a full living room set, and it looks really nice. So, yeah. And over here you have some safety stuff. You have whatever the heck this thing is. A sprinkler, and it tells you not to hang anything on it. And a smoke detector, which I believe has a sounder base. So, yeah, and in here is a little kitchenette area. Go ahead and turn on the light. You see? And over here is a GFCI. We'll go ahead and test. See, it works fine. Here is a coffee machine. You can see it's very small, but it's good for a hotel like this. You have some coffee and tea amenities right here with some koozies. You can see. It's got a nice big mirror here. I don't know why, but it's here. These are just snacks I brought myself, but these were complimentary waters. So that's nice. You got some drinking glasses here as well as an ice container. It's a very nice presentation, actually. You see? Another granite countertop. Down here you have some storage. Just a couple cabinets. This is more like a cubby than a cabinet. And here is the Black & Decker microwave. As you can see, it's nice and clean inside, and it does have a light. And there's the instructions right there. Pause to read. And here is the Absol-Cold mini fridge. It's a fixed temp fridge. You can see. Works fine. Got some stuff in here. There are my shoes. Over here is some more trash and a recycling bin as well. And you got this nice big workstation here with this roll-out table, as you can see. And it's got this nice, actually this is a really nice chair. Looks like a high-end one. And this is one of the room keys right here, as you can see. Courtyard. Yeah. It's got the same lamp as over there, except this one has a little bit of a cooler color, and it has outlets on it. More picture frames on this little shelf right here. They're not really attached to the wall, they're just kind of sitting there. It's a little worrisome. And over here you have some storage, as you can see. They open and close very smoothly, so they're in great shape. And here, more storage. I think this rolls out too. Or not. I guess it doesn't. Looked like it does, but oh well. And here's the LG 32-inch flat screen TV with a World Cinema remote. Go ahead and show the ports. There they are. That's a smart TV chip. This is a smart TV, by the way. So it does have, I believe, Netflix, YouTube, and stuff like that. There's a door to the conjoining room right there. And then this room does come with a balcony, which I'll go ahead and show right now. This is a deadbolt, so you just release this and it goes down like that. Just stops right there. It's not broken, it just doesn't go down all the way because it's being stopped by that thing. Although I think you can actually, yeah, there we go. You can just tuck it in there. And then it fits right in there when you want to lock it. Then it does have another deadbolt right here. Want to unlock that. You can see it does have a storm door as well. And here is the balcony itself. And there's the outside of the HVAC unit. It's got a table and a chair and a bunch of mold on the ground. It's got this railing. And here's the view. And there's the pool. You got some picnic tables. It's really nice out here, although it's very hot today. Go ahead and lock this back up. So yeah, there you go. It does have dual layered curtains, as you can see. It does have this blackout curtain, and then this little privacy shield. It's the same on this side. So yeah, and here's the inside of the HVAC unit. It's a GE zone line. I think it's a newer one. I believe this one has a inverter in it, so that's nice. It's very quiet. But if you can see, if I try to adjust the controls, it says use wall thermostat, because this unit is actually connected to a thermostat. You can see right here. It's set on 73 degrees at the moment. So yeah. And there's a nice big lamp right here with a couple of outlets. I think this bulb right here is burnt out. Oh well. But yeah, it has a couple of outlets on it. Another free outlet down there, which is nice. And a phone line, which is not being used. So I guess theoretically you could bring a landline here if you really wanted to. But I don't really see anybody doing that this day and age with cell phones. But yeah, there you go. There's the living area. Moving on into the bedroom. Here are the two double beds, as you can see. Go ahead and test them out. Oh yeah, these are nice. I think they're memory foam. These are really nice. Go ahead and do a quick cleanliness test here. I don't really see anything. Yeah, it looks good to me. Pillows are a little soft, but could be worse. It does have this big headboard right here, although I wish it has some cushion to it. You got these little bedside lights here, which are controlled separately. They are LED bulbs, so they kind of fade in and out. And then you have a service phone, a note sheet, an alarm clock with additional outlets and USBs. I don't know if I mentioned these outlets up here. And then this little advertisement right here. Here's the nightstand itself. It's got a cubby underneath it, as you can see. And in here is the good book. So yeah. These drawers open and close really smoothly. I don't know if they've recently been oiled or if they just recently installed them or what. And you got this other TV right here. It's another 32-inch LG. Same model, same remote, same everything. I'm not even going to bother showing the ports on the back because it's exactly the same. More storage over here, as you can see. I think this is the same vanity as in this room right here. Yeah, the shape is pretty much exactly the same. It's just missing the desk extension. So yeah, and because this room is completely separate from that room and has a door, this room has its own HVAC unit, which is right here. This one's actually running currently. This one does not have an inverter, so it has a rather noisy compressor, but it works completely fine. There you go. There's that wall thermostat little thingamabob. And here's the thermostat itself. It's an EcoSmart. It is motion activated, as you can see, which I'm not a huge fan of, because at night when you're sleeping, this thing will shut off because it's not going to sense any motion. So that's kind of annoying. Then you have another window right here. No balcony in this room, but there you go. You can see just how much the other room expands out. You got the big drain pipe right there. So yeah, I'm not sure if this window opens. I don't think it does. I'll try. Oh, it does. Look at that. Opens quite a bit too. It does have a screen too, so that's nice. It's a little hard to open and close though. Same curtains as in the other room. You can see it does have curtain rods. Yeah. One thing that drives me crazy though is if you go back here, you can see just how offset the window is. So that's kind of annoying, but it's pretty minor. Here's the other bed real quick. It's exactly the same. Same pillows. Is it the same? No, this mattress feels a little different. Let's try this out. Nah, I take that back. It's the same. So yeah, there you go. Got some more picture frames over here. And you got another sprinkler, and it tells you not to hang anything on it. and another smoke detector of the same model. I believe it's a Notifier FSP 851, but you fire alarm enthusiasts can correct me. And you have another one of these things right here, except this one is controlled by a wall switch, as you can see. There you go. And it's just plugged into this outlet right here. So the switch actually controls this outlet, so it's not recommended to plug anything in there unless you're going to be either leaving this on or planning to control it by the switch. You can see it has outlets on it, and both of the bulbs in this appear to be working. So that's good. They are CFLs. It's got this very interesting round chair here. And here's the door. I actually had to move this chair a little bit in order for this door to actually swing. But I don't think that's really the hotel's fault. You can see behind the door is a door stopper. And this door does lock, as you can see. So yeah. But yeah, that's really it. It does have this cool design above the bed. What's interesting is that only this part of the wall has the yellow leaves on it. Everything else is white or black. Nothing on that side. It's very asymmetrical. Huh. That and the window. I think the window in this room's like that too. Yeah, notice how it's further over to the left. So that's weird. And I forgot to mention this picture frame here. But yeah, that's really all there is to it in this little suite. You know, it's simple but sweet. It's no pun intended. It's good for a normal duration stay. I wouldn't do an extended stay in a place like this because you don't have a full kitchen or anything, but I'd say it's pretty adequate. It's clean. It smells good. Looks good. Yeah, so with that said, I'll go ahead and show the hide-a-bed. Let me just move this out of the way. Oh, I just noticed. This ottoman is actually on wheels. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of hard to tell. So we'll go ahead and take this big mattress off. Or cushion, rather. Just place it over here. This thing's actually really heavy. Ooh. And then we just gotta fold this down. And I believe this is pretty small, so I believe it's only a twin size bed. So it just kind of comes out like that. It's really heavy. There we go. And then it folds right over. And there is the well-worn mattress, as you can see. You can tell this has been slept on many times just because of how yellowed it's been over time and how wrinkled it is, but it looks like a decent mattress. It's not going to be the most comfy in the world because it's just a couch, but, you know, it does the job. There's a tag. And fold this back over. Put the cushion back on. I think I'm putting this on the right way. Yeah. There we go. Can't even tell the bed's there anymore, although I think I really messed this up. There, that looks a little better. Now we just gotta move this back. Now I know it's on wheels, I can actually hold the camera. And yeah, so this will conclude this hotel room tour, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the HVAC systems.